अमेरिकी सदर ने पाकिस्तान और भारत के दरमियान जंग बंद कराने पर नोबेल प्राइज मांग लिया। कहते हैं रवांचा कांगो के लिए भी नोबेल प्राइज दो। नोबेल प्राइज सिर्फ लिबरल्स को मिलता है, ये लोग मुझे नोबेल इनाम नहीं देंगे। इसराइल ईरान की जौहरी सलाहियत खत्म नहीं कर सकता। मुज़ाकरात से पहले सीज फायर चाहता हूँ। ईरान पर हमले के लिए 2 हफ्ते लूंगा। ईरान में जमीनी फौज उतारना आखिरी हल होगा। ईरान इसराइल जंग में यूरोप का कोई मदद नहीं कर सकेगा।
Well, they should give me the Nobel Prize for Rwanda, and if you look, the Congo, or you could say Serbia, Kosovo, you could say a lot of them. You could say, the big one is India and Pakistan. I should have gotten it 4 or 5 times. I should get it for I would think the Abraham Accords would be a good one too. They won't give me a Nobel Peace Prize because they only give it to liberals. They're sitting on the top of one of the largest piles of oil in the world. I just don't know why they need that for civilian work. It's one thing for certain countries to say, hey, I want to have a certain amount where I can go nuclear a little bit because we need it for electricity, we need it for air conditioners, etc. But when you're sitting on one of the largest oil piles anywhere in the world, it's a little bit hard to see why you need that.